If you believe you have been unfairly banned from Monster 2025, you can follow these steps to appeal the decision. This guide will help you navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details regarding your ban, including the date it occurred, the reason provided, and any communication you received from the game support team. This information will be crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Review the rules. Familiarize yourself with the game's terms of service and community guidelines. Understanding what rules may have been violated will help you formulate a strong argument in your appeal. Step 3. Write your appeal. Compose a clear and concise appeal letter. Start by stating your account information, followed by a respectful request for reconsideration. Explain why you believe the ban was unjust and provide any evidence that supports your case. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal through the official support channels designated by Monster 2025. This could be through an email, a support ticket system, or a dedicated forum. Make sure to follow any specific instructions provided for submitting appeals. Step 5. Be patient and follow up. After submitting your appeal, allow some time for the support team to review your case. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up politely to inquire about the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban and increase your chances of having it overturned. Good luck!